since a sell-off triggered by Tesla TSLA plus 3.2% billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin helped wipe $300 billion from the market this week. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have struggled. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how Bitcoin price falls below $45,000 after Musk's latest tweet. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Over the last 7 days, the price of Bitcoin has dropped by more than 20%, bringing down the entire crypto sector. Even with the surprise Coinbase bombshell, Dogecoin, the joke meme-based cryptocurrency that has recently rocketed into the crypto top 5 by value, has lost ground. Bitcoin fell below $45,000 for the first time in nearly 3 months after Tesla's billionaire owner seemed to comply with a Twitter post saying that the company should sell its $1.5 billion stakes in the largest cryptocurrency. It was trading at $45,270 in New York at 5:51 p.m., down around $4,000 from where it started Friday. The mercurial billionaire's online remark was the latest in a week of public comments that have roiled digital tokens. He slashed the price of Bitcoin by nearly $10,000 in hours last Wednesday after claiming Tesla wouldn't accept it for cars. He had joked that Dogecoin, a token he had previously promoted, was a hustle on Saturday Night Live a few days prior, denting its price. He later tweeted that he was collaborating with the Doge developers to boost transaction performance a few days later. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed in early February that he spent $1.5 billion of company's nearly $20 billion in cash to purchase Bitcoin, sending the token's price to new highs and lending credibility to electronic currencies, which have grown in popularity in recent years amid some skepticism. Elon Musk's tweets seem to have an equal effect on cryptocurrency prices as they do on the stocks of his own companies. After pushing down the price of Dogecoin in the previous week, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has now slashed the price of Bitcoin with his latest tweet. For the first time in 3 months, the world's most famous cryptocurrency slipped below $45,000, trading at about $43,000 at 8:54 a.m. IST on Monday. Musk's response to a tweet indicated that the company could be selling its $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment soon, prompting the step. He responded, "Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the majority of their Bitcoin holdings." According to a tweet, I wouldn't blame him, given the amount of vitriol directed at Elon Musk. Though Tesla's disinvestment is unlikely to happen anytime soon. Bitcoin prices plummeted by over $10,000 last week after Musk's Tesla revealed that it would no longer allow Bitcoin for car payments. Tesla cited environmental concerns about the use of fossil fuels as a reason for the move, stating that it would sell its Bitcoin holdings once mining became more environmentally friendly. Musk spent hours on Twitter on Sunday rebutting critics of his last week's shift in stance on Bitcoin, which he claims was prompted by environmental concern about the power requirements to process Bitcoin transactions. He stated at the time that the company would not sell any of its Bitcoin holdings. Of course, the fact that they are backed by physical assets is important. The fact that they are issued by the government and recognized worldwide is what gives currency its relevance and prestige and value. When companies like Tesla announced they would support cryptocurrencies, they gain credibility. MasterCard has also announced that it will begin accepting Bitcoin on its network later this year. All of this combined with tweets from billionaires such as Elon Musk and Mark Cuban increases the appeal of cryptocurrency as an asset, encouraging more people to invest in it. Even so, unlike the stock market, which is a decades-old scheme, crypto is purely technological. As a result, the entry barriers are high, and not everyone is aware of how they operate. As a result, retail investors are still concerned about their investments. They may be spending large sums of money, but they want to be cautious. As a result, just as Musk's pro-crypto tweets can boost prices, so can Musk's anti-crypto tweets. And reputable individuals like Musk are unsure about cryptocurrencies, as shown by Tesla's reversal of its crypto plans. After all, it's no secret that cryptocurrency is mined with the help of fossil fuels. How could Musk have been unaware of this prior to now? With his market-moving tweets, Musk, a vocal advocate of cryptocurrencies with a cult-like following on social media, wields enormous power. He has been promoting Dogecoin, which began as a joke and has since risen to become the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. According to marketcap.com, Dogecoin has dropped 9.6% in the last 24 hours, trading at 47 cents late Sunday afternoon. An email sent to Tesla requesting comments on Musk's Sunday tweet was not immediately returned. Musk's social media outburst on Sunday were the last chapter in one of the crypto world's most bizarre weeks, which is known for its craziness. The revived slumps in Bitcoin and other tokens haven't deterred crypto enthusiasts who believe that if digital coins can change the financial system, they will be worth several times later their current price. We're looking at the long term, so these blips don't bother us, Emily Cho, president and chief operating officer of crypto exchange Coinbase Global Inc., said on Bloomberg TV last week about the market's wild swings. You're looking for a long-term chance, so you buckle down and go for it. According to Bloomberg, the owners of the Colonial Pipeline paid a $5 million ransom in untraceable digital currencies to hackers who attacked its infrastructure, while the Justice Department and the Internal Revenue Service are investigating Binance Holdings Limited, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, for possible money laundering and tax offenses. However, the long-term story for several crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum has not changed, according to Simon Peters, an analyst at multi-asset investment platform eToro. While nothing rises in a straight line, the long-term fundamentals for crypto assets remain as strong as ever. Before Musk's tweet, Bitcoin had already been swinging wildly over the weekend. For cryptocurrencies, which unlike most conventional assets trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the 2 days are especially unpredictable. So far this year, the average swing on Saturdays and Sundays for Bitcoin has been 4.95%. A number of factors contribute to this form of volatility. Since Bitcoin is owned by a small number of individuals, price spikes can be magnified during times of low volume. Furthermore, the industry is also highly fragmented, with hundreds of platforms operating under various standards. As a result, unlike conventional assets, cryptocurrencies do not have a centralized market framework. Price prediction. The price of Bitcoin plummeted after Elon Musk announced Tesla's decision to accept Bitcoin as a payment. This was the most significant development of the week, with the latest mining difficulty change coming in second. As the price of Bitcoin hangs in the balance, most on-chain indicators suggest that another crash is on the way for the pioneer cryptocurrency. On the weekly map, we can see that the BTC price has encountered significant resistance in recent weeks. The currency has failed to break through the $60,000 barrier. It has also fallen below the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level and is now approaching the 38.2% retracement level. This indicates the bears are in charge. The currency has also fallen below its 25-week moving average, which is noteworthy. As a result, we believe the bearish trend will continue, with bears aiming for the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $32,798. This pattern will be invalidated if the price rises above $50,000. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below, subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.